How to fix your screen not sharing on Google Meet. So this can be very problematic, especially if you're having a work meeting. So I will show you all the causes because of which you are not able to share your screen. So let's go to Google Meet. And for now, I'm just going to start an instant meeting. So first things here, it's going to ask for microphone and camera. So I'll just give it the permission. So once we have done that, here you can see obviously I am the only one in the meeting, but what if I try to share my screen? So if I'll click on share my screen, here you can see Google Chrome would like to record this computer's screen and audio. So if the first time around you don't click on open system and settings and click on deny, this is going to almost permanently not allow you to share your screen. So we are going to open system and settings, and here you can see we have Google Chrome. Just turn this on, and here we can just use admin password and then click on allow again. So here you can see Google Chrome needs to just restart. So we'll go again to the same meeting and again allow microphone and camera. I like to do this every time just so that I know that my microphone and camera is not always being used while I am not aware of it. So I'm just going to allow this time and click on join now. Obviously no one else is here because this is a meeting that I've put up to show you guys. So then again I'll try on presenting. So I can now share a window, which could be just the application. I can share the entire screen. So again, here you can see we have new tab, and I can click on that tab as well and click on share. So that could be one of the things that is stopping you. So clicking on deny rather than actually going and giving it permission, that could be one of the main causes why you're not able to share your screen on Google Meet. So also make sure that you click on allow microphone and camera over here. Then another problem could be you are sharing your screen, you are clicking on a window, and let's say I have notes open for now. So here you can see I have opened up multiple applications. I click on notes and share. But you may say, I'll use some other application and that is going to be presented on my screen as well. Well, that is not true. It's going to actually fail. Right now, you are only able to share the applications window, nothing else. So if I minimize this, if I open multiple tabs over here, no one is actually able to, see the screen. So that is one thing. But if I go to share screen, I can present something else. I can click on entire screen, select the screen and click on share, and now my entire screen is going to share. So you need to make sure that the source of your screen sharing is also correct. If it's not, it's going to cause an issue. The issue being that you are not able to share it. Third cause could be site extensions. You may have installed any extension on your browser is probably blocking your screen sharing. So that is something you want to check. So I currently have no extension installed, so I am not facing any issue. If there are any ad blocks, it could be an issue. Another thing that could be an issue, so I am recording my screen right now. There could be third-party applications like OBS that I already have and sometimes use. So if I am running OBS and then I try to share my screen, it probably is going to block my screen from being shared. So that could also be an issue. Just turn off that application and probably that will solve the problem. If not, just turn off Google Chrome, turn it back on, join the meeting. Maybe that could be a clue, or just reboot your Mac and that should solve the problem. Hopefully this video has been helpful to you. If it has, do consider subscribing, liking and sharing the video. See you in the next video.